had a busy few years renovating 8 properties, including our own forever homes.
That's 29 bedrooms, 18 bathrooms and 10 kitchens.
But we're going to have to take everything we've learnt and really bring it to this next one.
It's a pretty ugly little house.
No endearing features.
It's an Aussie suburban eyesore, and we're going to change that.
We're going back to our roots
To transform an average-sized suburban home into something really special.
The pace is like red hot.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Drama, drama, drama.
Yes! That is so ridiculously crooked.
I'm very disappointed.
No one listens! By the time we're done with it, there won't be a dull moment in this home. You discuss something, you agree it, you turn up, and it's changed. But I love it!